AI is taking jobs left and right all around the world. Writers, drivers, and even doctors are starting to sweat. But not every job is doomed. In fact, there are 5 jobs that AI cannot touch. And in this video, I'm gonna count these jobs down. If you are in one of these jobs, you're basically future-proof. And if you're not, well, you might want to switch careers before it's too late. Because by the time we're gonna hit number 1, you realize how safe or unsafe your future is. Without further ado, let's get started with number 5. Skill number 5, skilled trades. And this is where electricians, plumbers, carpenters, so on and so forth go. Yes, AI can write code, it can design logos, it can solve complex problems, it can even diagnose diseases nowadays. But here's one thing that the AI cannot do yet. Fix your broken toilet at 2 a.m. So skilled traders such as electricians, plumbers, and carpenters are actually hands-on jobs in the real world. And until robots can actually crawl under your sink, handle complex repairs, or rewire your entire house, humans are gonna be absolutely essential. Here's why they are safe. First of all, physical complexity. Every home is built different, every problem is unique, and repairs often require improvisations on the spot. Next up, we have regulation and safety. Only licensed humans can legally sign off on electrical works, for example. And finally, we have the trust factor. People still want a human that they can call at night, they can actually rely on, and of course, blame if things go wrong. Imagine AI sending you a message that goes like, "Please put your leaky pipe into a scanner so I can see what's wrong." Doesn't really work, doesn't it? But if you think that fixing toilets and wiring homes is gonna be safe forever, wait until you hear about job number 4. Because while these trades are protected by physical reality, the next job is safe for an entirely different reason. It lives inside the one thing that the AI will never be able to get into, and that is your mind. At number 4, we have therapists and mental health professionals. Here's the thing, AI can actually simulate empathy, but it doesn't care. Mental health is one of the fastest growing needs in human society. People do not just want answers, they want someone to listen to connect with, and someone who truly understands them. Here's why they are safe. First of all, we have authentic connection, and right now even the most advanced AI modules out there can only mimic empathy. Humans can sense the difference. Then we have ethical trust. Would you really want an AI gliding through your trauma and tell them everything that's wrong with your brain? Yeah, most people will not. And then we have legal and medical regulations. Licensing boards, insurance systems, and also healthcare laws will keep mental health work firmly human. Yes, AI can provide basic cognitive behavioral prompts, but when someone's going through, let's say, a heartbreak or anxiety or the darkest moments in their lives, they need a human face, a human heart, and human words. Nothing can replace that for now. But do not relax just yet. Even if your career is all about human connection, there's another category of jobs that the AI will never ever be able to replace. In fact, without them, the entire AI revolution will just collapse. And that's job number 3, teachers and educators. Yes, AI can actually generate lessons and plans. But here's the thing, information is not the same as education. A teacher's job is not to just deliver you facts. It's to inspire, adapt, and build human potential. And no chatbot can look a struggling kid in the eye and say, "Yes, I believe in you." And here's why they are safe. Human motivation. Kids do not just need knowledge, they need someone who motivates them and someone whom they can look up to as human role models. Then we have social learning. Classrooms are not just about content. They're about teamwork, conflict resolution, and also emotional growth. And finally, we have adaptability. Teachers will shift their methods instantly when they see that a student cannot understand. AI cannot yet replicate this nuance. Think about your favorite teacher from school. Did they change your life because of what they taught you or because how they made you feel? And if you think that teachers are untouchable, just wait. Because the next job will not just survive the age of AI, it actually becomes more powerful because of AI. And this one might surprise you. At number 2, we have entrepreneurs and innovators. Here's the wild part. AI is incredible, but it's also just a tool. And who controls this tool? Yeah, that's right, entrepreneurs. The people who dream up businesses, create products, and solve real-world problems, they will always be one step ahead. And while the AI can actually optimize, it will never originate true vision or actually take financial risks. And here's why they are safe. First of all, we have creativity and risk. AI does not take risks. Humans do, and innovation requires a bit of gambling into the unknown. Next up, we have the market intuition. Entrepreneurs understand culture, timing, and also human desire in ways that the algorithm will never be able to. And finally, we have leadership, because companies are not just made out of spreadsheets. They're made out of groups of people that are following a vision. That will always require a human at the top. Imagine Steve Jobs letting AI invent the iPhone. it never would have happened. That is why AI is like the ultimate superpower for entrepreneurs, but only humans can decide what to build, when to build it, and who is it for. But here's the twist. You might think that entrepreneurs are the ultimate winners in the AI race, but they are not number one, because the single safest job of all time is something that the AI will never touch, no matter how advanced it will get. And if you are in this job, you might be untouchable for life. And that is job number one, artists and creators. Now hold on a minute, before dropping comments contradicting with me on this one, I want you to know that I do agree with you. Yes, AI can actually generate images. It can also generate videos. It can also generate music. But here's the brutal truth. People do not pay for the art. They pay for the artists. Art is about meaning. It's about a human expressing themselves to another human. And no matter how good the AI will become, people will always crave stories, songs, movies, and overall creations that come from real-life experiences. And here's why the creators are safe. First of all, authenticity. Your fans will want to follow you, not a faceless algorithm. Then we have the cultural impact. The art will shape identity, values, and culture. This is something that the AI cannot replicate. And finally, we have personal branding. The creator economy is exploding right now, and creators are, before anything, personalities. Let me give you an example. When you're going to a concert, do you want to see an AI-generated hologram, or do you want to scream the lyrics back at a flawed human being who basically poured their soul into the music they are singing to you? And that is why creators, performers, and storytellers are at the top of the list. Because as long as humans are craving connection, we will crave human-made art. So there you have it. These are the 5 jobs that the AI will never be able to take away from us. If you're in one of these fields, congratulations, you are safe for now. But if you're not, here's the truth. AI is moving very fast and the window to adapt is closing. And here's the kicker. The jobs that the AI cannot take from you are not just about the money. They're about being human. So maybe the real question is not what job is safe from AI, but more like, what part of humanity are you willing to protect? That's it for now, guys. Don't forget to like this video. It would greatly help us with the YouTube algorithm, and subscribe to our channel if you want to see more content just like this. Don't forget to check out There's an AI for That, the biggest AI directory in the world with more than 40,000 AI tools that can help you with your day-to-day life. And make sure to subscribe to our newsletter. This way you will join close to 2 million people that have done the same. Thank you for watching. Have an amazing day. Until next time. Bye-bye.